I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch a mobile number from Upload to Giffgaff, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your Upload account is active and not under any contract obligations. If your account is inactive, you won't be able to port your number. Step 2. Request a PAC code. Contact Upload customer service to request a PAC porting authorization code. You can do this via phone or through their online chat. Make sure to have your account details handy. Step 3. Sign up for Giffgaff. If you haven't already, sign up for a Giffgaff account and order your SIM card. Once you receive it, insert it into your phone. Step 4. Start the porting process. Log into your Giffgaff account and navigate to the port your number section. Enter your PAC code and follow the prompts to complete the process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PAC code, you should receive a confirmation email from Giffgaff. The porting process usually takes a few hours but can take up to 1 working day. Make sure to keep your Upload SIM until the process is complete. Switching your number can be a bit daunting, but following these steps will help you transition smoothly to Giffgaff. Good luck with your new service.